Today we are going to crochet this blue cardigan. For this we are using acrylic 4-ply yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. For complete tutorial, watch all parts. Take a chain of 48 stitches. Take half double crochet in each stitch. Now in second row we make 4 corners. Front, back and shoulders. In first 6 stitches, double crochet in each stitch. In 7th stitch, 4 double crochet in same stitch. This is our first corner. Now in next 9 stitch, double crochet each stitch. In 10th stitch, make 4 double crochet. This is our second corner. In next 13 stitch, double crochet each stitch. In 14 stitch, 4 double crochet. This is third corner. In next 9 stitches, 1 double crochet each stitch. In 10th stitch, take 4 double crochet. This is our fourth corner. In next 7 stitches, take 1 double crochet. Our yoke is started with the segregation of front, back and 2 armholes. Check part 2 for yoke completion.